good. Anything else? I think, do we have the sugar plum?
That one's really good.
They're really good. Okay, 17. The last food question, then every time we're dessert. Need a receipt? And enough for you to cover it up, okay?
Thank you. All of the always have a display.
Long road.
Okay.
Like that one. I think you're supposed to. Oh, crack crack? Oh, sorry.
Feel the vibe.